Hello, welcome to today's 18-minute. I'm Josh Stanners, and here we are going over one of our latest fit-outs, and this is to a plant transportation crew. So obviously in the hygiene network, and we've kitted it out with a rear tail lifter hoist, so 350 kg capacity, great for loading and unloading your plants in the back. This is a very health and safety conscious hoist, side flashing lights, large loading platform on top, and it has a folding platform for easy rear vision through the rear windows. So once your plants are loaded on the platform of this hoist, simply load them into the vehicle like so. Very simple operation of the hand remote with one up and one down button, and you can see we've got our side shelving systems that fold right up. Very simple operation for these. Simple pull of a quick latch system, and you can lock and load your plants as you wish. They have a mesh bottom for easy draining of any water. We have an integrated rubber floor mat. We have commercial grade black fleck carpet sides. This enables absorption of moisture and keeps the vehicle nice and clean, and very easy to clean at that. We've got integrated tie rails on the sides as well. These are adjustable hooks, so you can raise and lower those to suit the height of the plant, and also adjustable hooks on the ground. These are easily removable as well. A fantastic solution, very adjustable and easy for storing large items such as plants, but can also be used for many other areas of large goods. We'd love to help you today. Feel free to give us a call and or check out our website, autotransform.co.nz.